Well, hello! I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute, Open House Edition. Today, we've got some fabulous open houses lined up for this weekend, hosted by your Bose & Cox team. 7 open houses offered this weekend start with 736 Wallace Drive in Peterborough, offered at $524,900. If you're ready for summer, this gorgeous Cape Cod with in-ground pool, patio, and deck is perfect for entertaining. It's got a classic style and it's renovated from top to bottom. It's decorated in a light, airy way reminiscent of a vacation or beachfront home. It's open Saturday from 1 till 2:30, Sunday 1 to 2:30. 1734 Pine Hill Drive in Peterborough is offered at $524,900. This is located on a beautiful tree-lined and tranquil street. This side split offers plenty of space for your family with room to grow. The 3 bedrooms, including master with ensuite plus additional bath on the upper floor, provides nicely while maintaining privacy. Just on the outskirts of Peterborough is 826 Cottingham Road in Kawartha Lakes, offered at $599,900. It's a completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in a premier location just west of Peterborough on a stunning 1-acre lot surrounded on 3 sides by fields. No expense has been spared in this home, including quartz, granite, new flooring, and whitewash shiplap walls. Come out Sunday from 1 till 3 p.m. to see this property. 484 Robinson Road in Ennismore is offered at $474,000. Here's a chance for you to live like you're at the cottage. Come check out the newly finished hardwood throughout, open-up kitchen and living with a granite-top breakfast bar to entertain easily. There's a separate dining room next to the kitchen that features an all-new stainless steel appliances, light fixtures, and matching granite countertops. We've got 3 open houses, Friday from 6 till 8, Saturday from 1 till 3, and Sunday from 1 till 3. 61 Ridge Street, Asphodel Norwood is offered at $315,000. It's a century home right in town. It's a newly renovated 2-story and it's open and bright with a grand staircase with stained glass windows, 10-foot ceilings, original trim, a newer oak hardwood floors throughout, and newer plumbing and fixtures. Come out Sunday from 1 to 3 to see this property. 163 Gannett Lane in Apsley is offered at $1 million. Spectacular describes this fabulous hand-hewn log cottage on a pristine Chandos Lake. As soon as you arrive on the property, you can feel the peace and absolute calm that this 5-bedroom, 3-bath cottage will provide. It's open from Saturday, noon, until 2 p.m. 17 Fire Road 88 Apsley is offered at $549,900. These 2 Jack Lake cottages are on a 1.083-acre lot. They're perfect for rental potential. Investors, who wouldn't want 2 2-bedroom cottages on Jack Lake? There's a shared drilled well, there's separate driveways, separate hydrometers, and separate septics. Come on out Saturday to see both of these from 11 to 1 p.m. I hope you'll come out and take a look at some of these properties. I'll leave links to the property descriptions and maps in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.